Which talented scholar will your majesty send?
Your Majesty, this Lubin lock is a challenge. Solve this Lubin lock before witnesses.
The sound. I've unlocked it.
Your Highness, then we shall trouble you.
Ching-ching! Sing of iron horses charging into battle. I vow to protect you for life. Though my blood may stain the spear, my skills in the Hui Ma Chang will not falter. Drive them away, Bao Chai, the wolf among mortals. Now it's your turn. Change all these colors to red. The mountain's essence blooms through me, the frost's retreating spear thrust. A loud cry, restrained yet companionable.
The spear! Impossible.
It's absolutely impossible to restore it to a single color.
It's truly great Xia's talent indeed.
This humble one, white.
The nation sky. I've mastered that skill. The returning spear thrust to confront tigers and jackals. I'll ensure you suffer no more harm.
I will stand. I. Impossible. This.
It's remarkably similar. Even if this lifetime...
Love, this is also your invention.
It is His Majesty. Just a minor trick, nothing...